Welcome to Airport Departures. In this video, we'll immerse ourselves in the sounds and sights of the airport experience. As you arrive at the airport, take a deep breath and prepare for crowds, vehicle sounds, and a high-sensory environment. Listen to the footsteps and the chatter of travelers. Look around as you enter the terminal. Taking in the bright lights and moving crowds. Locating the check-in counters is your next step. Feel the energy of anticipation in the air.
Hi, how are you today?
Your ID will be checked by the counter staff.
Thank you.
Thank you. Here we go.
Thank you.
And you will be given your ticket. As you approach the security checkpoint, prepare for a high-sensory area before your journey unfolds. Here, you'll experience a variety of sights and sounds. Waiting in line. The clinking of bins as they slide on the conveyor belt. Prepare to give your ID and boarding pass to the TSA staff member. After they clear you, you may continue to the line for the trays and conveyor belt. You may be asked to remove your shoes, electronics, and other items as you proceed. Next, you'll pass through the scanner and reclaim your belongings from the bins. Remember, the security officers are there to help keep everyone safe. Walking through the terminal, let the sounds envelop you. The announcements echoing through the halls as you make your way to your gate. Take a moment to observe the vibrant sights around you, the colorful signs guiding your way, the artwork adorning the walls, and the diversity of travelers sharing this journey. Take a moment to settle in. Feel the anticipation as you prepare for a new adventure. As we conclude our sensory journey through the airport, remember that smooth travels are often accompanied by friendly faces. Until next time, safe travels, and may your adventures be filled with peace and joy.